The harvest begins. As the sun rises, skilled workers start picking the ripest watermelons. They select the ones with the right shape, weight, and sound. Every fruit is chosen by hand. Freshly picked melons are loaded and sent to the ultra-modern processing facility. Here, the real transformation starts. You will watch watermelons fly on conveyor belts. Robots scoop out perfect hemispheres of red pulp. Machines cut cubes with surgical accuracy, and cold press units squeeze out pure juice without heat. And in the end, you will see how this factory turns simple fruit into crystal clear jelly cubes, crunchy freeze-dried chips, luxury dessert rolls, and sparkling drinks. Let's begin the journey. A first wash. The hydraulic tipper gently releases watermelons into purified water. This step protects the rind from damage. High-pressure jets clean every surface. Dirt, dust, and field residue disappear in seconds. By the time the melons leave this stage, the factory already looks like something between a lab and a spaceship corridor. Human and laser inspection. Each melon now moves through the first inspection stage. Workers check for cracks, dents, or uneven ripeness. Anything below perfect quality is removed immediately. After the human check, a laser scanner takes over. It measures size, density, sugar content, and internal structure. The machine knows more about a watermelon than a human ever could. Only premium melons advance. first cut, a sharp blade drops with surgical accuracy. The watermelon splits into two perfect halves in under 1 second. These halves slide onto another belt, where workers do a second visual check. Any half with imperfections leaves the line. The factory does not tolerate mistakes. Robotic pulp extraction. Now comes one of the most impressive machines in the entire facility. A robotic scoop gently descends into the watermelon half. It removes a perfect red hemisphere. No rind, no seeds, no waste. Every scoop is identical. Every movement has millimeter-level accuracy. The pulp then goes into a specialized machine that separates the green rind, the seeds, and the pure red flesh. Seeds drop into a collection tray. The pulp moves to the next stage, seed separation, then lab testing. The pulp now enters a seed removal drum. Seeds fall through precision-engineered screens. The delicate flesh remains untouched. Next, the seedless pulp enters the quality control lab. Under bright inspection lights, specialists check color, texture, and purity. If even a tiny fiber looks odd, it is removed. Only the cleanest pulp is allowed to continue. Cold press juice extraction. This is where the factory turns watermelon into premium juice. The pulp enters a cold press system that applies slow pressure. No heat is used. This keeps the natural flavor, color, and nutrients intact. Operators monitor every reading: pressure, flow, clarity, and temperature. The result? Pure, vibrant watermelon juice. Pasteurization and bottling. The juice travels into a sterile pasteurization unit. Temperature is controlled with extreme precision. Just enough heat to keep the juice safe, but not enough to ruin the taste. Sterile bottles arrive on an automated conveyor. Robots fill them, cap them, and seal them airtight. Each bottle goes through another inspection stage. No leaking caps, no wrong labels, no cloudy batches, only perfection. Making jelly cubes and freeze-dried chips, the leftover watermelon pulp is used for solid products. First, it enters a dicing machine. Sharp blades cut it into strips. Crosscutters turn those strips into perfect cubes, identical in size. These cubes can go two ways. 1. Jelly clear cubes, turned into dessert ingredients and fruit cups. 2. Freeze-dried chips. Watermelons are frozen, and the moisture is removed, leaving crunchy red chips with intense flavor. Every cube and chip is inspected multiple times. Packaging and global shipping, 12:15 to 13. This is the final stretch. Containers are filled with exact portions using automated scales. Sealing films cover each pack. Robots stack boxes with perfect alignment. Finished products include fresh watermelon cubes, bottled juice, freeze-dried chips, jelly cubes, watermelon desserts, watermelon sparkling drinks. Everything is sealed and packed within 24 hours of harvest. The last worker inspects each pack before it goes into cold storage. From here, the products travel around the world, and that is the full journey. from a simple fruit in a field to high-tech juice, cubes, chips, and desserts. A factory where every drop, every cube, every bottle is crafted with precision. If you want more videos like this, tell me which factory we should explore next.